Bill and Katie has a question of being hot or cold.
No, the problem is in the bedroom.
Lord.
Not like that. Bill writes, we bought a house built in 2001 and moved in about a month ago. The whole house is cool, except the master bedroom, which is the way I thought it was supposed to be. I'm not like that. It gets extremely warm in there, he says. We have tried closing off rooms and registers to get more cool air in there, but to no avail. So, Tom, Bill's looking for some cool advice from you.
Well, first off, it has a lot to do with the activity that's going on in the bedroom.
Stop.
Okay, anyway. The bottom line is this. The more doors you close, the more registers you shut off, the worse your air conditioner is going to actually perform. So don't do that. Open everything up for that matter, and maybe that will help some. The other thing is this, and people do that all the time, think they're going to save money. You don't save any money shutting rooms down. Your air conditioner has to have airflow, but this is an airflow issue. You need more supply into that room and maybe a return air to mix it up more. I don't know the location of the air conditioner, where the room is, if it's more isolated from the rest of the house, but the bottom line is it's an airflow problem. Call someone really good. We, of course, always recommend Absolute Comfort Air. They're really good at fixing those kind of problems.
That's what makes them a Home Show Pro.
That's true. And if you do have someone use regularly, communicate with them. This is a problem. If they can't fix it, then you need to definitely go to Absolute Comfort Air. But give them the benefit of the doubt, I guess, and see if they can fix it. But the bottom line is this. You shutting down your house is not the answer.
Mixing it up.
Mixing it up, opening it up, let all the air flow through, and put a giant fan in the doorway. I don't know, get the cool air in. But you've got to do something, and the ductwork is the problem.
Mixing it up, keep it moving. Good advice for the air and your master bedroom. So, if you got questions,
I thought we weren't going to go there.
Well, we were. I felt like the car was parked with one tire on that line. I just wanted to open the door and let you know we were there. Wherever you are, we're right here to answer your home improvement questions. Go ahead and send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them like these videos over here, or you could subscribe to our channel and you'll find out when we post new ones.